status with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used machinery such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today what I wanted to show you is one of our best lines, of course American made, one of the best names in the industry, Cincinnati Incorporated. You'll see we carry them here new as well as used. Here's a brand new 90 ton we're going to show you, a 230 ton, 175, all the way down to the electric brake. So we'll take just a look here. You can see what we do kind of carry in here. This is an older CB model with an auto bend controller. Here's another brand new model. You'll notice the same controller on this. This is their base form series versus the Proform series, which is what we're going to be going over today. This is a 175 ton, 12-foot base form Cincinnati, brand new. And we'll go down to this last one here, which is our electric brake. Cincinnati, very, very high precision. You can see the speed and accuracy of this brake is incredible. So we'll go back down over here. We're in our fabricating facility right now and show you some of the different operations you can do on this machine, as well as some of the options that are built onto it. Now we also have training here. We're a certified Cincinnati training facility. You can come down, learn about these machines, make sure you're doing all the right processes, and make sure you're going to get the most production out of it. First thing I want to go over is this controller right here. It's one of the best controllers on the market. It's now on all the Cincinnati machines. They're all going to be the same layout, the same controller, and it's a really nice simple layout, especially computer-wise. Right here we'll see we're in our job setup. We've got some basic notes for the part we're going to make. Today what we're going to make is a nice simple little business card holder, a few different bends, and it's going to show you on here all the different steps that we're going to be running through it. So just a quick look, here's the simulation view. So it's a really nice view. It shows you exactly what you're going to be making, how you're going to be putting your material in, and it shows you each step. So you can see the fingers are going to be moving for the next step. Again, the fingers back, and we're going to be closing it up. If you look at the job setup, you can see all the different tools and segments that you have in here. You'll notice right now we have a Wilson tool setup. These particular sets of tools and the Cincinnati are all inside the controller, which is a really nice feature to have all the tools already set up. You put the machine tool number into that, it'll already know exactly the heights and be able to calibrate everything for you. You'll also notice here they are different heights, but when the machine comes down, all of these are going to be at the same level. It's going to be able so you don't have to change out your tooling. You can put segmented tooling in and run over and over again all the way down to finish your job each time. So we've gone over the simulation view. Here's going to be your full running screen. Going to let you know where everything is, start your cycle, your different steps, your different RAM. Here's your RAM exactly, all the different positions, the speed changes, you can put them all in here. And of course your back gauge. You can show where you want your fingers to select from. These fingers on the back gauge, you can get up to an 8-axis machine on these, extended stroke. They're very, very nice that you can customize them, put horns on for the aircraft industry, and really build upon these machines for some great production. So they do have a lot of different finger selections that you could have in different places so that it can make sure to line up for your part exactly. We'll go ahead and run to edit. We're going to hit cycle start, and you'll notice it brings us right to that simulation view and tells us exactly how we're going to set up our first part. So again, you can take a look and you'll see exactly this is going to be the same picture that's on there, and we're going to move over to our first bend right here. Going to hit this back gauge. You can see no problem, and you'll notice that it did advance to the next finger. Let's take a look here again. So you'll notice here you have a green side and a gray side. What that's showing you is that we're going to have to turn our piece around. So depending on which side you have it on, that's going to show you the piece that you're doing. And you'll know so you don't have to flip it. Each operator is going to know where to go. You'll also notice that it did switch the fingers, so we know exactly what we're doing. So now we have our first step of this bend. We could take another look and see how everything's laid out, put everything in the right way, and we'll move on to the next step of the bend. Now we've set for it to come down to hold it, and then we can get our bend in there. So you can see everything's come into place here. We're gonna look, we have one more bend we're gonna go ahead inside. We can take a look at our picture. We know exactly how it's set up. And there we go. Nice simple business card holder. Something very simple, but it does allow you to see each step of this process, how easy it is to go through it. So just one more time to show you the 4 different steps. We've got our different degree of bend, our different radius, our length of our piece. Everything's been programmed in here so we can see it graphically. Each operator can go from one shift to the next, and you know you're going to be getting the exact same operation. Everybody's going to know how to do their job. There's not going to be more setup. It's going to be really easy for your production. Now, if you're interested in this machine or any other, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for some great financing options, as well as all our new and used equipment at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.